Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for your Fundamentals of Nursing final exam. First, gather all your course materials, including syllabi and past assignments, to understand the exam scope. Next, create a realistic study schedule, allocating specific times for each subject. Finally, identify your preferred learning style, whether it's visual, auditory, or kinesthetic, to optimize your study sessions. To study effectively, actively engage with your material. Don't just reread. Summarize, highlight, and make flashcards. Practice questions are crucial. They help you apply knowledge and identify weak areas. Consider explaining complex topics to a study partner or even to yourself. This active recall method significantly boosts retention and critical thinking skills. When reviewing content, prioritize core nursing concepts. Ensure you're confident with basic patient care, vital signs, and common procedures. Pay close attention to patient safety protocols, infection prevention, and the 5 rights of medication administration. Also, refresh your knowledge on ethical dilemmas and legal responsibilities, as these are fundamental to nursing practice. On exam day, proper preparation extends beyond studying. Aim for a full 8 hours of sleep the night before to ensure mental clarity. Eat a nutritious, light meal to maintain energy levels without feeling sluggish. Arrive early, take a few deep breaths, and remind yourself of all your hard work. A calm mind performs best under pressure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.